What's going on, everybody? Jet Rushing back again with a new video. Y'all know what we do here, we fish. And that's it's kind of the name of the channel, isn't it? Jet Rushing Fishing. So what y'all are going to see today is a practice day for the Anvil Jaw Championship. I get one day up here. We're on Greers Ferry, a 2-day event starting tomorrow, which is Saturday. I'm up here on Friday, October the 4th. This is something new y'all have never seen on this channel. I have never fished Greers Ferry in the fall on this channel, and more than that, I haven't fished it on a 5-foot drop. Look at all of those rocks that are exposed. So this thing is bad low right now. The weather is going to shape up to where we ought to catch some fish. I really believe that 12-13 pounds a day will probably do it, but we're gonna get out here and practice. We're gonna hit them hard, see what we can't figure out, man. I appreciate y'all for tuning in. I know this has been a wild series here lately, because shoot, we had all that boat bull shoals and then all the Grand Lake, and now you're going to see a couple days of Greers Ferry, and then we got Wright Patman. It's just going to be day after day after day after day. But at least we're going to have a lot of content all the way out to probably December, maybe even in January, with stuff that we fished in the past. So that's the name of the game, is putting out the content for you all. Again, appreciate y'all for subbing. Y'all make sure to hit that sub button if you're not already a sub, because at 3,000 subs, so we're less than 700 away. At 3,000, we're going to do another giveaway. I just did a giveaway, and Team Tiger Shotokan won a filming kit. Had chesty mount, batteries, all that stuff. And I got another cool gift that we're going to give away and at 3,000 subs. So y'all make sure y'all sub, follow along. Hopefully I can get y'all a little prize back. Let's see what we can do. Golly, wow. Holy cow. Holy cow. I was not expecting that. That was a big one. Whatever that was a big one. One more of them. Dude, that whatever that was absolutely rocked me. Holy crap. That's the first one. And I don't think that was the one that hit me a minute ago, because the other one felt way bigger. But that is a 1.5 pounder. Okay. Right by that stump too. That's 2 bites. Well, 3 bites, because I had that one that knocked the fire out of it. That one's supposed to be 2 pounds, but he's a snakehead. And those thin core fish. But that is number 2. It smells like shad too. This is above normal, or a couple of foot above normal pool. Dude, there'd be fish all in them bushes. There ought to have been a bass here. Okay. So as it sits right now, I'm probably coming in here tomorrow and going to spend a better part of my day tomorrow. They're all emaciated though. I mean, that's just a 1.5 pounds. All in here. I was just about to say, I'm surprised it hadn't been bit on the spinnerbait yet. Well, that's a 12 incher. That's number 3. I mean, number 4. Number 4 for a little over 5 pounds. I don't know what flavor you want. Oh, we're gonna find out. That's what I thought he was. A little old Kentucky bobber. It might be 12 though. An aggressive turd. Well, I got hooks everywhere. I don't know if he's 12 or not. We're gonna put him on the board just to see. Close. Well, there's number 5. He ain't much, but that is number 5. We're gonna see what they are. I think they're Kentuckies. They are Kentuckies. Little bitty fellas too. They gotta get bigger now. All right, everybody. That's it. Practice was not good. That's all you can say about it. It was not good. I guess we're just gonna wing it tomorrow. You know, they always say that typically whenever you have a bad practice, you have a good tournament. We will definitely see 100% tomorrow because today's practice was absolutely dismal. So anyhow, I appreciate y'all following along. I told y'all this morning, if you don't mind, hit that sub button. Once we get to 3,000, we're gonna do another drawing, and we're gonna try to keep that trend going as long as we can. You know, I got some really great sponsors and some great people that back me that I'm able to give back to the community and give back to the YouTube world and subscriber base. So if you don't mind, hit that sub button. We'll talk to you soon. I'll keep chunking.